Assalamu alaikum. O our esteemed American food-licking king leaders of the Muslim Ummah. I'm speaking to you. Allah has given you eyes, but you cannot see. Allah has given you ears, but you cannot hear. Allah has given you knowledge, but you cannot understand. Why do you not understand? Because you fear Donald Trump more than Allah. Where Donald Trump is, do not perform the obligatory jihad that Allah has commanded. Every day, hundreds of Palestinians are being killed in front of you from within your hearts. Yet you remain silent. Do you think that only the people of Gaza will be killed? Today, Israel attacked Qatar. Are you crazy for that? This is just the beginning. America and Israel will spread their dominance in every Muslim country. That is their target. If no one accepts their dominance, they will be destroyed. O leaders of the Muslim Ummah, if you had solved this problem with Allah's Quran, you would not have had to face this problem. Every time you go against the Quran, you will bring about your own destruction. You only protest with your mouth and sleep with your nose. And those non-Muslim countries who support Israel, they do not just say it with their mouth. In addition to saying it with their mouths, they also cooperate with money, weapons, and soldiers to destroy you. There is still time. If you do not unite, every Muslim country will be Israel's food for America. Take my words into account in the future. Those who agree with my opinion, share this video. Thank you all.